Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today you will be seeing freehand painting roses, one stroke with round brush, and those interested can order. And I have one designer sari for sale also. And do see my other videos for my exclusive artworks. I take online professional courses. These are certificate courses. Those interested can join. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in my channel, and you will know different courses, advanced and basic, starting from 1000 onwards. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, origata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces, and many more. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.